Hello guys, welcome to Learning Today YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is LCM and HCF and how to find the LCM and HCF. First of all, LCM stands for least common multiple and HCF stands for highest common factor. Now let us see the problem. Find the LCM of 6, 10, 15, 30. Here the given is this. We have to perform the LCM like this. In the step 1, we have to divide the phone numbers with the common multiple. That means here you can see the phone numbers that can be divided with the common multiple, that is 2. That's why here we take the 2 as multiple. Here you can see it is in the format of like this. In the next step, you have to continue the process until all the value is equal to 1. Here you can see the process here. In first step we have divided the numbers with the common multiple 2. In the second step we have divided the numbers with the common multiple 3. In the third step we have divided with the common multiple 5 until we got the value 1. Like this you can perform the LCM. Now let us see how to find the HCF. For finding HCF, we have to take the first and last value of the given number. We take first value as dividend of the division and last value as the divisor of the division. And start the division process. Repeat the division process until you got the remainder 0. Here you can see here I repeat the division process until the remainder is 0. If in the first division process if we got the remainder greater than 0, then take the first process division and the dividend and the first process remainder and the division. Here you can see like this we have to do the HCF. Now let us see how to find the LCM of fractions. For finding the LCM of fractions, we have a formula here. For finding LCM of fraction, the formula is LCM of numerator by LCF of denominator. Here always you know that what you have to find that comes in the numerator and the rest is come in the denominator. Here you have to find the LCM. That's why LCM come in the numerator and the rest of thing is come in the denominator. Use this formula to calculate the LCM that is in the form of fractions. If we find the LCM of numerator values, then we got the answer 20. If we find the LCF of the denominator value, then we got the value 3. Finally, we have to substitute the values and divide the values. We got the answer 6.6 bar. Here bar represents the repetition of the same value, that is 6. Now let us find the LCM of 2 by 3. For finding the LCM of 2, use the same formula here like this. What you have to find should be in the numerator and the denominator. In this way you can find the LCM of 2. Hope you understand. If you understand, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.